everyone, hope you all are doing great and I expect you or you already watched my previous video about PhotoPayz. I already give you the short detail of this product in my last two videos, but do not worry if you did not watch that video, then don't go anywhere. You will get each and every detail of this product. See, we all are in 2022 and many of us are frustrated with their lifestyle. You want to achieve your goals and wants to fulfill your dreams. But how? Is it possible with your daily 9 to 5 jobs? Or if you are a student, you can earn as your side income and later made your permanent income and you can go all over the world and enjoy your life. Yes, that is 100% true. I completely understand your frustration, but I know that you are in a desperate attempt to succeed, fed up buying BS product online, losing your mind and time, chasing fake gurus. See, the struggle never ends and it's break you emotionally. Not only the struggling online hurts, but it's also financially. So it also affect into your personal life and adding more and more problems like depression, sleepless night, argument, inability to provide, the anxiety. Well, I could go on all day and you might think this is not your fault, but I am here to confidently tell you no matter what you are going through, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. So, my dear friends, life is not easy. Not everything will fall in your favor, but that doesn't mean you have to blame yourself. Look, it's your not fault. It's so sorry. Look, it's not your fault. Sometimes great things takes time. Finally, it's time to start using something that is 100% real and working in 2022. Yes, I'm talking about the world's first system that pays $7.95 every time we post a single photo to your social media account like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, or etc. Finally, it's time to turn your smartphone or laptop into a profitable pooling machine that easily makes $7.95 every time. Just post a single photo on your social media platform. Yes, and the best part is that it doesn't require any technical experience. It doesn't require you to take the photos. Heck, it doesn't even require a camera or any kind of photo editing experience or any kind of photo tools. What you have to do, you just log into this cloud-based software and start posting the photos. That's all. So when you open this website, you will get instantly discount $2. Usually its price is $16.95, but you will get in $14.95 when you purchase this product today. This offer is valid for only 1 or 2 days. I don't think it will go for a long time, so it's up to you guys. Only a few elite group of people are aware of this secret platform and they don't want it to get exposed. You know why? Because rich like getting rich while keeping the general public poor. Yes, this is a hidden in plain sight gold mine of free profit that have been kept right under your nose for years. But today, for the first time ever, I am going to expose this bustling $155 billion platform, which is paying us just only $7.95 for every single photo we post. It is simple as counting 1, 2, and 3. So, get a steady stream of PayPal payment every day without paying for traffic, without paying for hosting, without even paying for domain, without paying for any type of coaching, without buying any BS product. All you need is a laptop, interconnection, and of course a copy of PhotoPayz. Finally, it's time to turn your smartphone or laptop into a profit pooling machine that easily makes $7.95 every time just for posting a single photo. And the best part is that it doesn't require any technical experience. It doesn't require you to take the photo, and it doesn't require any camera or any photo editing experience. Just log into a cloud-based software, and start posting the photo. Okay, so see, the creator of this product share his experience. One of his user experience that he mentioned in his official website. Her user's name is Rachel, and discover how she went from being broke to making money over 5 figure a month using PhotoPayz. She is a divorced as jobless woman with 3 kids to look after. She couldn't even afford her kids' school tuition fee, so she has to work as a waiter. But the money she was making was not enough to fulfill the countless monthly bills that she has to pay, because she has to pay her insurance, mortgage, boat, cell phone, electricity, grocery, and that's not to mention all the debt she has. She was constantly dealing with anxiety, stress, and the frustration of not getting success. I am very much confident that you can also relate all those roads with you as well. The road to achieve 5 figure a month was not easy for Rachel. Fake guru ripped off her saving as well. If you Google make money online, you will find tons of fake and scammy gurus out there promising to make you a millionaire overnight. As soon as I discovered Rachel's condition, I decided to help. In a blink of an eye, I decided to help Rachel after hearing about her severe condition. I normally don't like doing this, but this scenario with Rachel was critical. It reminded me of the line, helping one person might not change the world, but it could change the world for one person, and I was determined to help her out. My goal take Rachel from broken to 5 figures a month. So I handed her my secret sauce, PhotoPayz. What happened next might excite you. However, before revealing, let me tell you something. It's not about working harder, it's not about being smart or for waiting for a long time. None of these things. All she did was just clicking her mouse twice, and you know what happened. Rachel made a whopping profit of $142.59 in a PayPal cash. Trust me, I feel like I am on the top of this world after helping her. And this inspired me to help even more people. Therefore, I invited 26 ordinary and struggling people just like you and gave them access to PhotoPayz. And guess what? Every single one of them make money on the very first day. It's your chance today. If it worked for Rachel, it will definitely work for ordinary people. The best part is there is zero expenses required to profit. I know the word hate is a strong word, but I hate it when money making system require extra fees. So when we developed the $155 billion explanation system, it was mandatory for it to start making us money from scratch without the need for, and you can make money posting photos without needing a computer. There is one thing you will love about this. You don't even need a computer to make money. Yup, as long as you have a mobile phone, you can profit. That means you can generate income on the go while you are traveling with your friend, watching your favorite TV show, walking or exercise. Now it's time for you. It's just in a 3 simple steps. You have to log in into your PhotoPayz account, post the photo, and earn by yourself. We enjoy daily deposit to cash to our PayPal account. So grab PhotoPayz and save up to $180. Usually its price is $197, but today only one time it's only $16.95. I will provide you the link in the description box. You can check it out and grab this opportunity. So if we talk about it is a world first ever system where posting photo is paid. It is a one time deal and the price is tripling every hour. 100% passive income, post and bank easy money every day. Thousands of members are pulling in huge profit. It's 100% legal and ethical. Yes, if you fail to make money with PhotoPayz, we will send you $200 for wasting your time. It comes with 365 days money back guarantee. You will at the end you will receive over $5,000 worth of free bonuses. Yes. Let's talk about the bonuses. Bonuses, free bonus number 1. 5 figure week live event. Get VIP access to our live mastermind event and copy and paste our PhotoPayz underground system we use to make 5 figures per week. This alone is worth 5 times when you will pay today, and it's your for free. Okay, talking about bonus number 2, make first $100 on the web. Uncover the fastest way to make your first 100 using the internet without having to create any product or dropship. Bonus number 3, the internet marketing online godmode. Discover the easiest way to create a profitable online business that makes you money while you sleep, and how to scale up your result to from 3, 4, 5, 6 figures per month. Okay, so talk about the bonus number 4. See, 7-day profitable blogging kit. Discover how to turn your passion to profit and create blogs that skyrocket your online business profile and line your pocket with cash in less than 7 days. Talk about the bonus number 5. $1K a day recurring membership site formula. A quick start guide to creating and running your own membership site, creating recurring revenue, build a large following of loyal customer, and become an authority in your industry. So many of the guys, your question arises in your mind, so why so much discount for this product? See, this is only for a limited time. You can get PhotoPayz at a huge discount. To be honest with you, they can't offer this huge discount for a longer period of time. Wondering why? The answer is simple. If they gave access to PhotoPayz, then there is a possibility that it will become saturated, and they can't let this happen. Hence, they have a limited number of spots, and once your capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors. And if in future when they open it back, I don't think so they won't be offering this at the same price. So this is available only for those who buy PhotoPayz today. Grab this life-changing opportunity and make a big difference. It's time to make a choice. Currently you have only 2 options. Make the right decision. Choice number 1, don't act. Keep trying while wasting your time to make money online yourself. Or choice number 2, grab PhotoPayz, take a screenshot with PhotoPayz, and change your life. Honestly, you are not going to get anywhere like PhotoPayz. And this is the world first post to get paid system. You are in the safe hands with our 100% risk-free 365 days money back guarantee. I am providing you the link in the description box. You can check, and after that, if you are purchasing from my link, I will give you some additional bonuses that is free of cost. This is only for you guys. I am expecting you are going to buy this and changing your life. So why wait? Go and grab this opportunity. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.